Hello guys, today's video maglalaban tayo ng mga Beyblades ko. Yung 5 Beyblades ko. 5 yata. 6 pala. Here you go guys. Pinakapikit na ako guys. First babe, winning Valkyrie. Victorious Valkyrie versus this. Parang battle royale siya guys. Unang magkalaban to. Dalawa na guys. Ito naman. Maglalaban yung dalawa na to. And final, ito kong Beyblade. Wait lang guys ha. Pass ko lang to guys. Hello guys. Tuloy na pala laban guys. Up to 2 points ang dalawang laban. Dito ang shoot. Dito ang solid burst finish. Solid burst finish. Second round. Wait lang guys. Yes. Bubuo ko lang. Tapos na guys. Rip. Let's rip. Survival finish. This is the winner. First round goes to and loses. Tapos na yung laban guys. Lalagay ko dito. Second round ang maglalaban. Si Twisted Tempo tsaka versus Dragon. Versus siya guys. Si Achilles. Ito na guys, magla-lunch na ako. 3, 2, 1, goes to. 2, 1, go shoot. Tiba yan, tama guys, basta. 1 point goes to Twisted Tempo. 2, 1, go shoot. Kita nyo yun guys. Actually, tawa nyo. Hard contact points talaga guys. Second round goes to very last round. We see who's the winner. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 1 goes. This way wins. These rounds go. Wait lang guys ha. Lang guys pala guys ha. This round goes to this bay. Magsi-spin still mo. Makita natin magsi-spin still muna to. Guys. Nagagano to guys, mag-spin still si Achilles. Kita nyo guys, di pa siya namamatay. Dapat namatay na siya kanina to. Joke lang guys, di pa yun yung totoong laban. Ito na. One to one. Lakas guys sa news. Wala. Tanggal driver guys. Ulit yung guys. Natanggal driver mid battle. Wait lang guys. May gagawin lang ako guys. Ito na guys. Sinahanap na guys. Ito ang gawin. Trip. Points last round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Epic combat. That's a draw finish. Comments nyo guys kung sino panalo. Basta saan feeling ko draw yan. Kita nyo yung guys. This Bay wins. Win and lose. Ngayon guys, yung metal fight na base na nanalo dalawa kaninang round. Ito yung paglalabanan natin. Sino nanalo kakalabanin si Win Waltrak. This Bay wins. Crispy na rin guys, nagkamali yun. This Bay wins. This round at si Winning Valtrak versus this Bay na. This depends who's the winner. Rip. We don't let it. Stamina win. Stamina win guys. Talon guys yung mga Beyblades. Basta talo pa si Winning Valtrak guys. Ang tibay ng bagong Beyblade na binili ko. Bago to guys. Wala eh. Wait, wala eh. Wala pa rin guys. Wala talaga nakatalo dito guys. We have a winner. This Bay wins guys. tinalo nyo guys, ito, to. Lahat sila naglaban, ito ang panalo sa lahat. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye, guys.